Hi, from the previous video that I did about giving our kids names from our mother tongues, here are a list that I got from the comments of boy names, girl names, and unisex names. So I'll start with boy names, and I'll try to go as fast as I can so that you can watch this video till the end. And of course, you can save this video for future use. For boys, I have Tugi, I have Hotani, I have Tawa, I have Utheri, Wega, Jaba, Muthamaki, Thobe, Kirathimo, Wangai, Toga, Thayo, Ituge. For girls, I have Makena, Riri, Wedo, Reri, Riua. I have Muthaka, Gakenia, Gatha, Kega, Mweru. Yeah, I think that's a full list for girls. And for unisex, I have Tana, I have Toria, I have Jata, I have Muradhime, I have Weru, I have Mwago, Itanya, Mweri, Kiheo, Ime, View, Kenya, and I have Derema. But remember, you are not limited. You can call your child any name from this list. And again, just to repeat that, I got this list from the comment section of my previous video. So these are names that people have already given their children. I did not come up with a list. I went for names like Myomo because a lot of you asked Myomo what Myomo means. Myomo can be something hard or something dry. So I'll go with something hard, like really hard, like it cannot be broken. Because I love the name Myomo. It's very beautiful. So I would say something hard. I would give that to my daughter. You can also go through the comments from that video and get more names from it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.